Alright, this is a question I have for my subscribers out there. I'm thinking about starting another channel about 600RR Hondas and how to do maintenance and tear them down. Just the general maintenance stuff. Not getting into the fuel injection or any of the technical NASA motor parts, but changing the brakes, checking the tires, adjusting the clutches, adjusting things. And I was wondering if anyone is out there that would like to see that. It's even got a clock. No? 12:40 a.m. Is that a radio? I don't know. But anyway, that's a question. And I'm not talking too well because it's fucking freezing out here. Let's see what it is. It's 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty cold. So anyway, I'm going to put my cover on my new baby, and I still my DIO is my favorite, but this is one that is going to wake me up, and I maybe have 10 years left because I'm nearing 60 to drive. I just love the color. All right, thank you, all my friends and subscribers out there in the YouTube world.